here, we're going to do an install. We're going to do a little modification to the 992 GTS Lightweight, where you've got these side skirts. We're going to be changing out these stock side skirts, and we're going to be replacing them with these GT3 Side Skirts from Perimeter Porsche of Atlanta. This is the part number right here. Here are a couple pieces of equipment we're going to need for this job. We've got a flathead screwdriver. We've got a T25 and a T30 Torx bit. We also have some gloves, and we have an optional piece of equipment to the left. Here are a couple shots of the before. You know, the side skirts look great, but we're gonna make them better with the GT3 side skirts. So here are a couple before shots, just so everybody sees what it looked like before, and we'll do this again at the end when they're all installed. Here we are getting into taking off a couple pieces here. Now, there's a couple videos on the internet that don't exactly say some of this. So, number one is that this is a T30 Torx. This one, I see a couple videos saying T20. I believe it's a T25 Torx. And we also have this one here, which is another T25 Torx. So we got three back here that we need to take off. And then we also have these little plastic clips that we need to take off along the whole length of this side skirt. And there's a trick. Some of the YouTubers, they take it out with a screwdriver, which you can, but there's also it's a quarter turn twist. So you see this is going longitudinally with the car. If you twist this any direction, and it takes a little bit of force, and you make it perpendicular to the car, you get your fingers in there and you just pop it right out. And so when you do put them back in, you just turn this longitudinally with the car, and you just snap them back in. So I'll try to get that with the light a little bit better. Let me show you it's longitudinal with the car. We're gonna do a quarter turn, and we'll just put our fingers in there, and we'll just pop it out, like that. So just do that along the line here. We'll take these three screws, T30, 25, 25, and we'll go up to the front, and there's one up front as well. And then we'll sneak this out from underneath this piece here. There's the T30. T25.
And T25.
And we got the T30 up front. We are ready to remove. Removal of the side skirt is quite easy. Pull down in the back here, pop it off. We're going to preserve the hardware. We're going to put the hardware back on to the GT3 side skirts. Take note of where the hardware sits. 3 of the screws that we removed, and one over there. Reinstall that onto the GT3 side skirt. Pro tip about removing these little clips is that the back side has a detent in it. So if you slip a screwdriver underneath the back side of the clip, pry it slightly, the clip will slide off. Don't pry from this side and try to bend it up. The detent's on the other side, stick a little screwdriver in there, pry it a little bit, and it'll slide right off. Now that we've got the hardware reinstalled, 3 over there, 1 over here. Another thing to note is these little tabs here need to be folded down. They give the GT3 Side Skirt some support. So fold these down and snap them into place. We are going to attempt the install from the rear and see if that helps. We did notice a couple YouTubers kind of started from the front. We're gonna try to start from the rear and see if that helps. Make sure to go above the rain splash guard and to ensure that these little tabs don't rotate on you, which they are already starting to rotate on you. Yep, looks like we're above the drip tray in the back. We're above the fender liner in the back. I think we're about ready to start popping it in. Easy as that. Oh, we got a twisted one right here. Just untwist that, get above there. Make sure we're in the right. Oh, we're not below the fender liner here. We need to get that. It looks like. Noted that when I pulled that out, these tabs popped back. Interesting. So watch for that. There we are. One thing to note, and I'm gonna see if we can get this camera in here, is that when pushing these back in, remember how we said that longitudinally is how we want them to lock in. Want to make sure that these little white pieces are in the center. Otherwise, these push pins will not lock in. So we longitudinal and we snap them in. Longitudinal, snap right in. We just finished up the GT3 side skirt install on the 22 GTS lightweight. Now we're gonna get RGS Lisa's take on it. So she hasn't seen this yet. So this side has not been done yet. This is the regular side skirt.
Okay.
And the black part, yep, the black part right there. So RGS, Lisa's gonna walk around to the other side and we're gonna get her take on the GT3 side skirt install.
Oh wow, that's really cool.
Right?
I love it, yeah.
Doesn't that look much sportier and aggressive? How it comes out away from the car? Very quick mod. Yep, there it is. It's an OEM part. Comes from the factory in the GT3s and some of the other GTS models. This one didn't have it, and we put it on there.
Very cool.
Very cool.
Looks great.
And here are a couple shots of the GT3 Side Skirts installed. This project turned out great, real minimal effort, and definitely high impact. Makes the car definitely look a lot sportier.